Sometimes we have different products that share the same downloadable files, and we may want to upload them once and then copy the files to all the other products. But this is not an easy task if you try to do it in WooCommerce, as you'll have to open and add the file to each product individually. To help you with tasks like this, we'll show you how to use the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin to quickly copy download files from one product to hundreds. This plugin also allows you to do advanced searches, export, import and much more. You'll find the link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. As you can see, all your products with their complete information are displayed in the spreadsheet, where you can easily copy the URL of a product file. To do this, just go to the Download Files URLs column and copy the content of the cell you want by using the keyboard with Ctrl+C or with the mouse by right-clicking and selecting the copy option. To paste the URL from the file to hundreds of products, you have two options. The first is to paste the content into individual products by selecting the cell or cells into which you want to paste the URL. Then, using your keyboard, press the Ctrl key and V simultaneously. Then just save the changes. For the second option, we'll need to open the bulk edit tool, since we're going to paste the same URL to all the products we want at once. Now let's select the products to edit. And for those occasions when you only want to edit some specific products, we'll select this option, which will open the search tool. For this example, we'll quickly filter out all downloadable products containing the keyword fashion. To do this, we'll enter the word fashion here. Then check the Enable Advanced Filters box. We'll look for the downloadable field. Use the equal operator. Now we'll check this box. And run the search. Once the products are filtered, we'll be redirected back to the bulk edit tool. Now we select the field to edit. In this case, it will be Download Files URLs. Select the edit type set value. Then we just have to paste the URL of the file here. And execute the changes. Definitely, the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin makes your life easier, as it helps you save time and simplify the management of hundreds of WooCommerce products. Remember that you'll find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.